My name is Nisha Singh. I am a 53 years old. Got married. I have two kids. Both are married. Side by side, I am running a small NGO for a needy kids. I'm teach them.
Yes, ma'am. You are
Yeah.
doing very great job.
Thank you. Thank you
Nobody
so
can
so
doing
much.
like that. Very,
Thank
very
you
less
so much.
people, they are thinking like that, whatever you are thinking as of now.
Yeah. So
Yes.
so how long have you been started your YouTube channel, Ashutosh?
So yeah, I started this year only in January. January, I guess 5th or 6th January, I started my channel. And
Okay.
last 1 month, I was not uploaded any video due to some personal
Okay.
reason. I was busy with that some personal work, so that's why I'm not be continue on that. But nowadays, I started uploading, and just I want to continue this thing because I'm not thinking to like famous on YouTube because just I'm thinking like where I am, right?
Yeah.
I
You
started
just
this
check it.
English journey. Yeah, I started this English journey in 2020. It was Corona there that time, and
Hmm.
now if I talk about that time and now, it is a huge difference as per my understanding because at that time even I'm not be able to like introduce our self introduction. So now I can speak. This is huge difference you can say, and still I'm practicing, still I'm learning a lot of things. I'm watching a lot of video on YouTube, and I'm following many people and how they are talking, how I need to improve my communication, and what I need to do on my daily routine, and
Yeah.
these kind of activity I'm doing as of now, and still it is
Yeah.
going pretty good. And that's why I'm uploading on a video on YouTube, and also just I want to help other, because if I can build my confidence, if I can speak English, everybody can speak English if
Yeah.
they are thinking. The thing is how they are thinking and how they are doing on like how they are walking on it. So that's all about it.
So whenever you just started your YouTube channel first time, so at that
Right.
time, I think before that you would scared little bit because you scared like that people know about me. I don't know English, so it would be very
Yeah, it
weird for you.
happened. Yeah, it is happened, and I'm also using like that time I used Joe Stock application is there. There is a facility to connect with the people like on voice call. Only
Okay.
voice call you can connect over there, and a lot of people you can connect. There is no any limit, and you can talk with them. And like if you're a like continuously you are talking on daily basis, so little bit you will get like confident how you need to talk.
Yeah, yeah.
And when I was like first time come front of the camera, so I scared that time. So how I need to talk, or what I need to say, and whatever I remember that time I forgot what I need to say.
Mhm.
But yeah, slowly it's come
You
automatically
improve.
confident. And
Yeah.
yeah, and yeah, it is going good. And nowadays I can talk, and I can face the camera. This is also very big opportunity if you are
Yeah,
talking to the
yeah.
people on face to face or front of the camera. It is very difficult, but yeah, we are talking each other, and we are like doing great conversation. That is very good.
Okay. So actually, whenever same story is mine actually. Whenever I started this platform during the pandemic time, at that time I was just totally free. We everybody I think they could not have gone to their outside anywhere. Everything is in stuck their home. So at the time I should thought actually I did my master's in a Hindi medium in Pol Science. So since then, my English was not so good. So I thought it's an actually at that time start from my younger age. I had been busy in my family responsibility and my kids studies and brought up them. So all the time, but
Right.
now my both kids settled their life. So nowadays I have some time, so I thought I should utilize my time in a way where I can get a specific skills to develop my personality. So that's the why. That's reason is that I just focused on my English. So it was started. It started 2.5 and 3 months before. I just started from my basic, like
Okay, okay,
from my basic. I just first of all just worked on my grammar, all the grammar advanced level or all these things. And after that I just, whenever I got command very command on the grammar, then I thought now I should work on the speaking, on my fluency. So one day I was just scrolling the YouTube videos. At that time, I saw so many that type videos, so many new YouTuber. Those are beginners. They just following this type of steps. Before starting, then I thought I should start this. But for a moment, I got scared. People would judge me, not a stranger, because if I uploaded the videos on YouTube, my some surrounding people will would know about me, and they know. Actually, I'm living in a posh area, and here is so many people is a very well in spoken English. So
right, right,
before starting this YouTube channel, I was little bit scared. People what would say? But after some time, I decided that no, people people, the work is only judge you. So after
right.
some time, I decided that I would work on myself and I will not bother the people, those
True,
type of
true, true.
people. So that's just I started. Even I did it. My husband and my kids and all. I did it. I'm uploaded the video on YouTube.
Yeah, ma'am, actually, whatever you are doing, that is very, like very great, actually, whatever you are doing. And
My
see, I'll tell you one thing. See, whatever you want to do, like you decided to go Delhi, you decided to go
yeah,
Mumbai.
yeah,
This is
yeah,
your decision, not my decision,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
And what I think, you don't care about any other, what they are thinking about,
yeah,
like
yeah,
your, right, how you are learning and you are not be able to speak. See, people, what they are thinking, let's think about it.
yeah,
Whatever you are doing, that you just keep focus on that.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
beginning is also scared about whatever you said, that is a very good thing. And the same thing, I was stuck over there, but I decided, okay, I need to learn English, and they are not
yeah,
going to learn English. Whatever I face, obviously I have to like learn, and I have to face all those challenges. So let's forget it what people are thinking, right? Whatever
mhm,
I'm doing, just keep focus on that, right?
mhm.
So it is happen. What people are thinking, just forget it. Whatever you are thinking, you just do it and you just continue it, right? And then only possible to reach over there, whatever you decided, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
direction is also very important. How,
yeah,
where you want to, like, and how you want to go. So if you are decided to go like Mumbai, and so depends. People are going like by flight. People are going like by bus. People are going
yeah,
like by cycle. People are going like walking. But which direction you are going? This is a very important thing. Like
yeah,
you want to go in east side, right? But you are going in west side. So how you
mhm.
can reach that right direction, right? Like destination. How you can reach? So it's not dependent. If the people are going by flight, obviously they reach before that. And the
Yeah,
people are going by walking, obviously they will take a lot of time, but one day they can reach over there, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
the thing is how we are
mhm.
taking this, right? So if we are thinking, okay, I'm learning, I'm doing mistake, that is not a problem.
Yeah,
The thing is, whatever we are doing mistake, that mistake we just try to learn. Okay, I
mhm.
did this mistake, okay, how we can
Yeah,
correct it, and how
yeah,
we can become better, and then we have to work on that. What people are thinking, just forget it, right?
yeah,
that time I also did the same thing. What people are thinking, I'm not care about that.
Yeah.
Whatever I'm doing, that I'm on that like particular thing. I'm working on that. That's it. This is
Okay,
also
good.
very important.
Actually, you have some confidence in yourself because I am doing a good thing. There is nothing
Right,
wrong in it, whatever I am doing. So if you are
right.
confident about this, so you can do it, right?
True, true,
So,
true.
so my husband is saying whenever I asking him, I'm doing this type of course, like not course, I'm going to uploaded the video. Then I just started my husband. Then he said, no, you just continue your conversation with the AC fluency and like that. But I just wanted to started this app, but I didn't. But because in these apps, you have only 15 and 20 minutes you have get. But on the
Yeah,
this
yeah. True,
you
true,
yeah on YouTube this type conversation whatever we have having right now, these are the I think more beneficial because these types of
true,
conversation you have whatever you told earlier, we have built up our confidence, right? Because you are
true.
facing first of all you are sitting in front of a unknown person in a stranger. You don't know he will judge me or not, and you don't care about it. But
Right,
whenever you just started with your surrounding, they are your known person, they starting judging you. They started judges you actually. At that time
true.
your confidence a little bit down. So I
Right,
think,
right.
it, my opinion, this platform is very nice, very good, and very purposeful actually. So I liked it very
True,
much. Whenever I started uploading my videos on here at here, so it's a good platform for everybody. Those are want to learn English.
true, true. And
Yeah.
ma'am, actually, how it's come in your mind? Okay, I need to start a YouTube channel.
Yeah. Only for actually, I'm not. I'm not. I was not thinking about the starting YouTube channel. I was just starting thinking. I was just want to improve my fluency. That's it. So
Right,
whenever I went too deeply to watching these types of video, then I thought those are the same people. What am I am I? They are also learner.
right,
So, first of
right,
all,
right. True,
I was scared. People will watch me on the YouTube. They will gossip from my back to my back. But after some time, who will care this year? I'm just learning a language. Who just focus on me? And it's a very big world. Who will focus on me? So I decided
right, right.
that yeah, but I learned YouTube. I decided only YouTube uploaded my video on YouTube. My purpose was only that I want to improve my English.
True, true.
Start your journey. Your basic, about the
I
basic or
know
all the
the basic. I see. Since my ninth class, I know the tenses. I know the basic grammar. I know everything. The thing is, I was not open my mouth, so that's why I'm not be able to speak that time. So
yeah.
I know everything, but the thing is, see, I'll tell you one thing. It is very true, actually. If you know everything, but you are not acting on that, so
Okay. Yeah.
it is very difficult to learn. I'm not talking about English, anything, whatever you want to learn. You know the theoretical part, but you are not doing practically. So in that
Mhm.
part, it is very difficult. If I talk about your mother tongue, maybe your mother tongue in Hindi, and if I am going to talk to you and anybody going to talk to you in your native language, nobody can beat you because you
Yeah.
have more fluent on that, more and more fluent in that. That's why nobody can beat you. So that's why, because you are doing more and more practice every day since morning to till night, you are daily basis you are doing like your mother tongue practice. That's why you are become a more and more fluent in that. But
Mhm.
English is a thing. English just a language. Just we need to keep focus on practice, nothing else. As per my
Yeah.
understanding, whatever I am talking front of you, front of the camera, front of you. So it is all just because of practice. I am
Yeah,
just
yeah,
practicing. Earlier, and nowadays I'm not practicing a lot. Earlier, I was practice at least 3 to 4 hours on a daily basis. I'm just trying to interact with the people, new people on Joe's Talk and Talk Now, and many platform is also there. Whatever you like, that platform you can use, and just you try to do more and more talking. You just try
okay.
to habitual your mouth or tongue so that it is come automatically in your,
Yeah,
brain and
yeah.